Hi, and welcome to the fifth video in the Dougherty County School System is Going Google video series. This video is one of two videos designed to give you tips for using email efficiently. Email can be an incredibly useful communication tool when it is used appropriately. However, the sheer number of emails we receive and need to respond to can be overwhelming for most of us. These tips are intended to give you strategies that you may use to help manage your email productively so that you can get down to the real work you need to do. We're going to create a labeling system. Gmail is organized using a labeling system. Emails are organized into the inbox, sent, spam, and trash by attaching labels to them. This is different than Microsoft Outlook because Outlook uses a folder system that only allows each email to be sorted into one folder. Gmail allows for multiple labels to be attached to an email. Let's organize. Applying labels to emails. In order to apply labels to an email, you must first select an email for review. When you select an email, a series of options will appear below the search box at the top of the page. Click the Labels icon at the end of the line of choices to choose labels to apply. Click the check boxes for the labels you would like to apply to the email. Note that you can select more than one label here. If you find it easier than scrolling through your list of labels, you can begin to type the name of the label in the search area and labels that apply will appear. Then you click the checkbox next to the one you want. Once you have clicked the checkboxes for all of the labels you would like to apply, click Apply to save your choices. Now, when you look at the email, you will see the labels you applied to organize that message at the top. And you can quickly find that message by clicking on the label on the left-hand side of the screen. Removing labels from emails. There are two methods for removing labels from an email. First, in the opened email, review the labels that are shown near the subject line at the top of the email. Click the X on the label or labels you would like to remove. The second method for removing labels is similar to how you applied the labels previously. After an email is selected, click the Labels icon below the search bar. Click the check boxes of the labels you would like to remove in order to remove the check marks, and then click Apply. Creating new labels. You do not have to create labels in advance. You can create new labels as you need them to organize your emails. After you have selected the email to review and the labels icon, click the Create New link at the bottom of the box before you select any other checkboxes. A new label box will appear. Type the name of the label that you would like to add in the correct location and click Create. Please note, if you would like this label to be a sub-label, click the box that says Nest Label Under and choose the parent label from the list. Then click Create. Color coding labels. The last thing you may want to do when organizing with labels is to color code them. To do this, simply hover over the label you want colored and click the three dots. Choose Label Color at the top of the menu that appears and either choose an already created color combination or create a custom label color by clicking Add Custom Color. This selection will apply this color scheme to the label box shown near the subject bar in the email, allowing you to quickly distinguish email labels without reading them. Thank you for watching part 1 of our Tips for Using Gmail Efficiently videos. You will find part 2 below with tips on how to achieve Inbox Zero.